अपने अपना नाम लियो।
हाँ थांबा थांबा। अरे यार ये बार बार
भाई लोग जरा मोबाइल लेके रुको जरा 2 सेकंड। एक्सक्यूज मी।
राम राम ओ राम भाई तुम्हारे घर के राम रुको
सर तो उधर सेंटर सेंटर टीम सेंटर लेंडर तो सेंटर
वो तो भी सेंटर
टीम सेंटर लेंडर तो सेंटर
अरे पार्टी है ये आकांक्षा अपनी तरफ चला धन्यवाद थैंक यू एक टीम के साथ काय तुम्ही पण हे मागे रे ए आकांक्षा बोल
लुक सेंटर
सेंटर ए आकांक्षा लुक सेंटर
Guys, let's give one pose like this.
Okay.
Feel the roar. Feel the roar. Come no.
मुंबई जिंकणार
Once again, feel the roar.
1 2 3
Thank you. Keep.
बाइट नहीं बोला
सागमा
दोनों पाछड़ से अरे पर कैसे वीडियो करूंगी टीम सेंटर में लेंडर का सेंटर नहीं लेफ्ट में नहीं सेंटर में यहाँ पर नहीं देखा टीम यहाँ पर टीम जी सेंटर इकडे लेंडर सर लेफ्ट आपके लेफ्ट बुलाओगे इकडे मैम समोर सोशल मीडिया के लिए कितना चाहिए
आजा कम
Yeah, please. Okay.
First of all, I am really excited that the Tennis Premier League is actually happening after 2 years of not many fans in stadiums, of people playing in bubbles, of a lockdown. COVID-19 has changed the way of sport. Also, COVID-19 has had its own influence and its take on people's lives. And in that, I reach out to every family out there that's been affected by COVID. I reach out to every athlete and teams that are there that have been affected with COVID. And as far as today goes, the opening of the Tennis Premier League, I'm so happy that the boys have done a great job to bring back not just all the great players of India, the past, the present, the future, but also make it an international event, just as I had promised before we got into this COVID lockdown. So
being a player, sir, how are you going to motivate the team, and what will be your words to them?
well, for me, I think the biggest motivation is that all of us have gotten through this very rough time of a COVID pandemic. It's wonderful to see a lot of my friends back. Wonderful to see Nandan Bal, Zishan Ali, Goran Ivanisevic, one of my favorite tennis players on the planet, was supposed to be with us. But unfortunately, with the new strain and the travel restrictions, he's not here. But he's going to be with us this evening on Zoom. But we would have loved to have Goran here. Also to see all the international players come in, to see the best Indian players come in. My own team, you have Ram Kumar and the rest of the pack and Nikki and the whole gang. It's great to have the players here. One sec, hold on. Are we stopping? Are we going? We're going? I'll come back to you.
अदिति यहाँ पे आइए। अदिति जी इधर बैक में हुआ थोड़ा जिम्मी कैमरा। अदिति जी बस 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 हम इधर ही है। अरे यार जिम्मी अदिति जी राइट
अदिति जी पहले
यहाँ पे
पहले इधर वाले को दे दीजिए।
अदिति जी सेंटर में यहाँ पे
ओ जिमी
अदिति जी इकडे
अदिति जी मेरे पास देखा नहीं आपने। अदिति राइट पे अदिति राइट है।
सेंटर सेंटर अदिति जी अदिति अरे रुकिए लेफ्ट आपके लेफ्ट आपके थोड़ा लेफ्ट अदिति सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर
अदिति लुक किया अदिति
अदिति जी
अदिति यो अदिति यो नहीं नहीं अदिति यो
अदिति जी
अदिति जी इकडे बघा
समोर बघा
धन्यवाद चलो गया
डन बाईट टीम का है टीम
TPL. I'm very excited. I think it's an amazing format. It's very exciting. And I think that something really good is being done for tennis for this country because we're trying to make tennis more popular. And tennis is actually a very popular sport in India. I think in every household, somebody or the other plays tennis. So I think it's really good for tennis.
It's going to be a competition, or is it going to be only a fun night for you?
I think it's going to be a combination of both. I think everybody, every team must be competitive and must have a fighting spirit. But I think sport is also about having fun, and I think it's about winning well and losing well and learning from your losses and celebrating your wins. And may the best team
what
win.
will be your golden words to the team?
To give it your best. I think that's the most important thing. So my team is the Chennai team. So I'm obviously rooting for the Chennai team. We've got some good players. We've got Samantha, who's coming from Manchester. She's played a lot of Grand Slams. We've got Raja, Jeevan, Saket. They're all really good players. So I'm looking forward to.
All the very best. Thank you.
टीम के साथ फोटो
लेकर आऊंगी मैं उसका टीम अनाउंस हो गया